Hi, I'm Amelia, and I'm going to talk to you about how to fix hair disasters. We've all had them, the bad cut, the bad color. It's a lot easier to fix than you think. Most of the time with bad cuts, I find that they're just not cut properly. So you want to find someone that you trust and go in and have them take a look at the cut and figure out what they can do. For example, on this mannequin's hair, it's just too short. So in that case, you're going to have to just let it grow. But there are ways that you can fix this. You can take this side up a little bit, do a little bit more of an A-line bob, anything like that. So it may not be exactly the style you want, but you can at least make it look like more like something that you meant for it to do. Here, as far as the color goes, you see she's got these highlights, but then right underneath she's got a big dark spot, so it makes it look like she's got a line going there. Super easy. You go in, have somebody foil that out, and just put a low light right there so it blends that a little bit better. It's all really about blending and technique. You want to make sure that you find someone you really trust. You don't want to just walk in someplace if you're going to be getting a brand new style or a brand new cut. You want to make sure that you sit down and have a thorough consultation with your designer. Bring in pictures, even if it's a picture of you from 20 years ago. I often ask my clients, what do you not want? Because if you go in knowing what you don't want, then you're not going to get that. And just remember, the difference between a good haircut and a bad haircut is about 2 weeks. So these are some ways to prevent some hair disasters.